Welcome to your nervous system and body regulation practice. So finding a place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. You can choose to keep your eyes open or closed, taking a moment to settle in and arrive right there in your seat or bed. Inviting all the cells in your body to follow gravity down and land right where you're at. And with your permission now, holding in your awareness both that left hip bone and the right shoulder at the same time. Just sensing into that left hip bone and the right shoulder. And now holding in your awareness both the right hip bone and the left shoulder. Just sensing into that right hip bone and left shoulder. Now slowly noticing that space between your right rib cage and right hip bone closer to your back. And saying hello to the kidney on that side and the adrenal gland, which sits on top of the kidney, kind of like a hat. So sensing into the presence of this right kidney and adrenal closer to your back. Sensing into the weight of it. Sensing into the back of it. Noticing the space in front of it. Maybe noticing a little warmth in that area. Maybe noticing a little pulsing through there. And imagining this right kidney and adrenal settling a bit back into your back body and down towards your feet. Nothing to do right now. Just resting. Floating your awareness now to the left kidney and adrenal. Sensing into this left kidney and adrenal. Sensing into the presence of it. Sensing into the weight of it. Sensing into the back of it. And noticing the space in front of it. Maybe noticing a little warmth through that area. Maybe noticing a little pulsing through there. and imagining the left kidney and adrenal settling a bit back towards your back body and down towards your feet. Nothing to do right now. Just resting. Resting longer here will help this practice to settle deeper into your body. So now entering a few moments of restful silence. Thank you for joining me today. Till next time.